Hi guys, the Tesla Model 3 has been with us for over 6 years now and has sold over 2 million units. But now they've given it a revamp and upgraded it. So what exactly has changed this revolutionary electric car? The main aim of the upgrades was to make it more refined, more comfortable inside and out, as well as keep that uncluttered, sleek design. On the exterior, it's been made to be more aerodynamic, and it certainly looks it in comparison to the previous generation. Now you've got updated tail lights, front lights, and even 2 new colours, like this stealth grey. But my favourite has to be this ultra red. The optimised aerodynamics are going to reduce your drag, which is then going to increase your range. These even include sharper body lines and aero-optimised surfaces. Even the wheels and tyres have been redesigned to be noise and range optimised. And even charging has got better. It will now do 282 kilometres in just 15 minutes. The biggest improvements are here in the interior. Everything has been redesigned with the use of things like premium materials and execution. I mean, going in the old version and now in the new, you can definitely feel the difference in quality. The front seats are now heated and cooling. They've also redesigned the centre console, covered in aluminium with more storage and fast charging for laptops up to 65 watts in the front and the rear. You've also got a better seamless Bluetooth connect. The screen is technically the same size at 15.4 inches, but thanks to the thinner bezel, it's actually more usable. You're also going to find an 8-inch display here in the rear. You control your heating, but also get things like your entertainment up. So whilst you're maybe driving, your kids can sit and be quiet watching Netflix in the back. There's customisable ambient lighting wrapped around the cabin, and this can really set the mood. The Whisper Quiet cabin is thanks to 360-degree acoustic glass. Then you have the improved suspension, bushing, seals and sound dampening materials, which will give us 30% less wind noise, 20% less road noise, 30% more ambient noise isolation and 25% impact noise improvement. And all that means that you get to enjoy your music even more, and that's thanks to the premium audio system. If you're in the long range, you get 17 speakers, a dual subwoofer and dual amps. The biggest difference you'll notice is the fact there's no stalks here. That's because your indicators are now here on the steering wheel. It's to create this minimalistic look. But where's your gears? Well, actually, when you put your foot on the brake, they'll appear here. Push forward to forward, back for reverse, and park is just your P. It also has auto shift, which means when your foot's on the brake and your belt's buckled in, it will analyse the surroundings and put you in drive or reverse depending on your surroundings. That's pretty cool. Tesla have always been about safety first, and the side impact protection has actually been improved. But the biggest difference we'll notice is here on the door pillar. Now you can't see it now, but it's your blind spot indicator. So when you're driving along and there's a car in your blind spot, whether you're indicating or not, a little red light will appear. So there we have it, that's all the upgrades on the brand new Tesla Model 3. I mean, I can see the huge improvements, but for now, you guys know the drill. So make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!